Hi, for today's video is how to use WhatsApp on Smartwatch. There's a strong possibility you'll want your Wear OS Smartwatch to be able to receive WhatsApp messages if you use it as a second screen for your phone. With 1.5 billion users and an estimated 60 billion messages sent daily, WhatsApp is one of the most used messaging services. Thus, it makes sense to question how to get WhatsApp messages to operate your Google-powered smartwatch. For Wear OS smartwatch, there is an official WhatsApp app like there is for Apple Watch. That means users of devices like Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or others won't find an app in Google Play Store. However, there's still a couple of methods to use your Wear OS smartwatch to access WhatsApp. So, how to get WhatsApp on Android smartwatch? So, you must pair your new smartwatch with your current smartphone. To match, you must access the wearable app directly by downloading it from the Play Store. So, navigate to the setting option, then select Manage Notification. You must ensure and activate the WhatsApp notification. Then after that, you have to go with your watch and connect your WhatsApp account to watch directly. When you eventually reach the home screen, scrolling to the left, you will see incoming messages. And finally, you can access WhatsApp and read all incoming messages effectively. Now, smartwatch users can obtain additional features such as sending, editing, reading, and deleting your chat and protecting the number. So, I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.